How are you? I hope you are well. In this little tutorial I will show you how to edit this template of the intro of Smallville. Made in After Effects and quite easy to edit. At the time of opening the project that comes in the file, it will appear like this, as you can see. And what you have to do is go to the folder, in this case this folder, and install this source. You install it. It is already installed. We go back here and automatically it already has the correct source in the intro. Now, we have this part that we want to appear. This simply we go to these two, which in this case would be this and the photo, overlay, shadows and photo. So what do? We are going to right click, replace footage. We select this file and we have it loaded. And we do the same with this other file called photo. Ready. As you can see, the intro is already completely done. What we can do if we do not want this image, we simply replace it in the same way with another that we want. And to edit the text of Smallville, we are going to double click here in Change Text. And we are simply going to replace or rename. Rather, we are going to rename these texts. I do not know if it occurs to me. I think I can say we tamper in the same way here. There it is. That's what we're going to do with all the texts we see here. As you can see, we tamper appears here. We are also going to replace this large text. We do the same. We are going to give is simply to change the names of all our compositions. This is all ready. We return here and as we can see, we already have we tamper here. If we want to edit something else, we can do it. If we do not leave it this way, we render and that would be all. Remember that the link of this template I'm going to leave in the description, so you can download it. You will also find in the store other types of templates of other movies and series that may interest you. So go and check it out. See you in the next video.